Welcome. Today we're diving into the essentials of writing a business plan step by step. Whether you're launching a startup or expanding an existing business, a well-crafted plan is your roadmap to success. It helps clarify your vision, attract investors, and guide your operations. In this video, we'll break down each stage, making the process approachable and actionable. Let's start by understanding what a business plan is and why it matters. A business plan isn't just paperwork, it's a strategic tool that shapes your future. Ready to begin? Let's explore the first step together. First step in writing a business plan is defining your vision. What do you want your business to achieve? Think about your long-term goals and the impact you hope to make. Your vision statement should be inspiring yet practical, guiding every decision you make. Take time to reflect on your values, mission, and the unique qualities that set your business apart. This vision will serve as the foundation for your entire plan, keeping you focused and motivated as you move forward. Next, it's crucial to research your market. Understanding your industry, competitors, and target customers gives you a competitive edge. Start by gathering data on market trends, customer preferences, and potential challenges. Analyze your competitors, what are their strengths and weaknesses, identify gaps in the market that your business can fill. This research will inform your strategy and help you position your business effectively. Remember, knowledge is power, and thorough market research sets you up for success. Now describe your business in detail. What products or services do you offer? Who are your customers? Outline your business model, including how you generate revenue and deliver value. Be clear about your unique selling proposition, what makes you stand out. This section should paint a vivid picture of your business, helping readers understand what you do and why you're different. The more specific you are, the easier it is for others to grasp your vision and support your goal. Setting clear objectives is essential for measuring progress. What milestones do you want to achieve in the short and long term? Objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, often called SMART goals. These targets keep your team focused and motivated, providing benchmarks for success. Outline your objectives in detail, from sales targets to customer acquisition goals. This clarity helps you track your progress and make informed decisions as your business grows. With your objectives in place, it's time to develop your strategy. How will you achieve your goals? Consider marketing, sales, operations, and financial strategies. Think about the resources you need, the channels you'll use, and the tactics that will drive results. Your strategy should be realistic and adaptable, allowing you to respond to changes in the market. By planning ahead, you increase your chances of success and minimize risk. Strong marketing plan is vital for attracting customers and building your brand. Define your target audience, key messages, and promotional channels. Will you use social media, email marketing, or traditional advertising? Set a budget and timeline for your campaigns. Your marketing plan should align with your overall strategy, ensuring consistency and effectiveness. By reaching the right people with the right message, you can grow your business and achieve your objective. Operational planning covers the day-to-day activities that keep your business running smoothly. Outline your processes, resources, and staffing needs. Consider supply chain management, production schedules, and quality control measures. Efficient operations are the backbone of any successful business. By planning ahead, you can avoid bottlenecks, reduce costs, and deliver consistent value to your customers. Your team is your greatest asset. Identify the roles and skills needed to achieve your objectives. Outline your hiring plan, training programs, and organizational structure. A strong team culture fosters collaboration, innovation, and resilience. Invest in your people and they'll help drive your business forward. Remember, success is a team effort, and building the right team is key to reaching your goals. Financial planning is the backbone of your business plan. Start by estimating your startup costs, ongoing expenses, and revenue projections. Create a budget that covers all aspects of your operations, from marketing to payroll. Financial forecasts help you anticipate challenges and make informed decisions. By understanding your numbers, you can secure funding, manage cash flow, and ensure long-term sustainability. Securing funding is often a major hurdle for entrepreneurs. Explore different financing options such as loans, investors, or crowdfunding. Outline your funding requirements and how you'll use the capital. Prepare a compelling pitch that highlights your business's potential and financial projections. The right funding strategy can help you launch, grow, and scale your business with confidence. Every business faces risks, from market fluctuations to operational challenges. Identify potential risks and develop strategies to mitigate them. Consider insurance, contingency plans, and regular reviews. By planning for the unexpected, you can protect your business and ensure stability. Risk management is an ongoing process, so stay vigilant and adapt as needed. Legal considerations are crucial for any business. Choose the right business structure, register your company, and comply with regulations. Protect your intellectual property and draft contracts for employees, partners, and suppliers. Legal planning reduces risks and builds trust with stakeholders. Consult experts to ensure your business is on solid legal ground. Executive summary is the first section of your business plan, but it's often written last. Summarize your vision, objectives, strategy, and financial projections. Keep it concise and compelling, highlighting the most important points. The executive summary should grab attention and encourage readers to learn more. It's your chance to make a strong first impression. Organization is key to a clear and effective business plan. Structure your document with logical sections such as company description, market analysis, strategy, operations, and financials. Use headings, bullet points, and visuals to enhance readability. A well-organized plan is easier to understand and more persuasive to investors and partners. Supporting documents strengthen your business plan. Include resumes, product photos, market research, and legal agreements. These materials provide evidence and credibility, helping readers trust your vision. Attach relevant documents in an appendix for easy reference. The more thorough your plan, the more confidence you inspire. Reviewing and editing your business plan is essential for accuracy and professionalism. Check for errors, inconsistencies, and unclear sections. Ask trusted advisors for feedback and make revisions as needed. A polished plan demonstrates attention to detail and increases your chances of success. Take your time to refine every section. Presenting your business plan is a critical step. Tailor your presentation to your audience, whether it's investors, partners, or employees. Use visuals, clear language, and confident delivery. Highlight key points and answer questions effectively. A strong presentation can open doors and secure support for your business. Business plan isn't static. It should evolve as your business grows. Review and update your plan regularly to reflect new goals, market changes, and lessons learned. Keeping your plan current ensures you stay on track and adapt to opportunities or challenges. Make updates part of your routine for ongoing success. Monitoring progress is vital for achieving your objectives. Track key performance indicators, review milestones, and analyze results. Use data to make informed decisions and adjust your strategy as needed. Regular monitoring keeps your team accountable and focused on your goals. Feedback from advisors, customers, and stakeholders is invaluable. Listen to suggestions and concerns and use them to improve your plan. Constructive feedback helps you identify blind spots and refine your strategy. Stay open to input and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Technology can streamline your business planning process. Use software for market research, financial modeling, and document management. Digital tools make collaboration easier and enhance accuracy. Stay updated on the latest tech trends to keep your business plan efficient and effective. Growth planning is about scaling your business sustainably. Identify opportunities for expansion, new markets, and product development. Set growth targets and outline strategies to achieve them. Planning for growth ensures you're ready to seize opportunities and manage challenges as your business evolves. An exit strategy is an important part of your business plan. Consider how you'll transition, sell, or close your business in the future. Outline options such as selling to investors, merging, or passing ownership. A clear exit plan protects your interests and ensures a smooth transition when the time comes. Sustainability is increasingly important for modern businesses. Consider environmental, social, and economic impacts in your plan. Outline initiatives for reducing waste, supporting communities, and promoting ethical practices. Sustainable planning builds reputation and attracts conscious customers. Customer experience is a key driver of success. Plan how you'll deliver exceptional service, gather feedback, and build loyalty. Outline strategies for customer support, personalization, and engagement. A focus on customer experience helps you stand out and grow your business. Innovation keeps your business competitive. Encourage creative thinking, invest in research and development, and stay ahead of industry trends. Outline plans for new products, services, or processes. Emphasizing innovation ensures your business adapts and thrives in a changing market. Partnerships can accelerate growth and open new opportunities. Identify potential partners such as suppliers, distributors, or collaborators. Outline how you'll build and maintain relationships. Strong partnerships enhance your resources, reach, and reputation. Flexibility is essential in business planning. Markets change and unexpected challenges arise. Build adaptability into your plan by setting contingency strategies and being open to new ideas. Staying flexible allows you to pivot quickly and seize opportunities. Congratulations, you've learned how to write a business plan step by step. Remember, a business plan is a living document that guides your journey, attracts support, and helps you achieve your goals. Review, update, and refine your plan regularly. With a clear vision, solid strategy, and commitment to growth, you're ready to turn your business dreams into reality. Take the next step and start building your future today.